Okay, this is how I made the bracelets for Shadowverse Ruby. I started with 2mm foam, and because it looked like the gold parts on it were another layer, I did 2 layers of it, and I didn't have the right size of gems despite the amount of gems I have. So I ended up having to order like 4 different sizes until I found just the right one. But I'm just gluing these on flat because I thought it'd be easier to add glue the gems on that way and then shape them later. So that's what I'm doing here. I got these, and I'm gonna that seems to be the last of my work log footage I have, so I'm gonna run you through what else I did that I didn't show. I painted these using these 2 paints. I used a water glue primer similar to Mod Podge, and then I glued on these gems while it was still flat, these big ones, and to close them, I wanted them to look as seamless as possible, but of course they have to get over my hand. So I added this little elastic to it so that it can stretch just over my hand and then like close over the wrist. And in pictures, it's pretty easy to edit it out with either the healing tool or the stamp tool. So that's what I did for both of these. Pretty self-explanatory. Paint them, glue on the gems, use a heat gun to shape them round, and then put a little tiny thing of elastic on it like that. And that's how I finished these off, and I really love how they came out, especially with these rhinestones. Yeah, hope this helped.